Do you hear that sound? Silence. It's the sound of nothing but the quaking aspens. I can hear myself. We can hear each other. We don't get quiet like this in the city, or at work, or even at home. It's quiet like a Saturday morning with no plans and no need to get in the car. On the ranch, we have other ways of getting around. Out here, slowing down feels possible. We're relearning a few things, like how to make this moment last a little bit longer. Feel this feeling a little bit deeper. See the world a little bit clearer. I needed this reminder that lazy days aren't wasted time. They're sacred time. I think slowing down is a choice we have to make again and again. It takes commitment and finding the right place to practice. Here, we're learning how.